Was I wrong? Was I wrong? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It may rain. It may rain. What's that? What's that? It's up to you. It's up to you. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Sooner or later. Sooner or later. So me. So me. Read aloud. Read aloud. Don't be absurd. Don't be absurd. Let me in. Let me in. It's good. It's high. It's high. Not bad. Not bad. No problem. No problem. I got it. I got it. Say it clearly. Say it clearly. Turn it off. Turn it off. Life is fun. Life is fun. That's terrible. That's terrible. Move aside. Move aside. Stay away. Stay away. Talk to me. Talk to me. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's alright. That's alright. That's enough. That's enough. Then when? Then when? Think of yourself. Think of yourself. Try it again. Try it again. What nonsense. What nonsense. Call him please. Call him please. Can't say. Can't say. Come with me. Come with me. Do it later. Do it later. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Why did you quit? Why did you quit? Will you go to? Will you go to? Do what you like. Do what you like. You are kidding. You are kidding. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you mad? Are you mad? You may go. You may go. He remained silent. He remained silent. He loves traveling. He loves traveling. He is still alive. He is still alive. He tries hard. He tries hard. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. It was really cheap. It was really cheap. How was your day? How was your day? I feel good. I feel good. I forgot. I forgot. I need more time. I need more time. I was there. I was there. It's different. It's different. It's done. It's done. It's easy. It's easy. This is delicious. This is delicious. Lemons are sour. Lemons are sour. It's funny. It's funny. Now or never. Now or never. Not yet. Not yet. He has guts. He has guts. Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's my turn. It's my turn. Leave it. Leave it. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Look at me. Look at me. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. This isn't fair. This isn't fair. Allow me. Allow me. Any problem? Any problem? At any cost. At any cost. Be attentive. Be attentive. Be calm. Be calm. Be ready. Be ready. Because of you. Because of you. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. But why? But why? You should work. You should work. You too. You too. Your turn. Your turn. Which is mine? Which is mine? Who broke this? Who broke this? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. Find it, please. Find it, please. Finish it. Finish it. For what? For what? Forgive me. Forgive me. Give me that. Give me that. Got it. Got it. How foolish. How foolish. How sad. How sad. I agree. I agree. I am innocent. I am innocent. I apologize. I apologize. She is awkward. She is awkward. It's obvious. It's obvious. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.